Okuraguza oku okubire kwebembirwe aba Rotary Club of Kasese kandi okubira Kasese Municipality Health Center 3 kandi okwebembirwe President wa Rotary omuri Kasese Sera Rachel ayorekere club egi netekateka kushoza sente zirikwingana miliyoni 50 omu kicweka ky'omwaka ogurikwija omu by'embarira yabo kandi ezinziza kubayamba okwombeka oburaro bw'abashaho kandi Yoona bigenderirwe okwongeza aha magara g'abantu okubagye kandi n'okurwanisa akakoko ka polio.
Cyuma kwalinde byafukakora kutsembe birekire Rotary iyabya tuli ba volunteers abantu abakayipayo isibawo ngo ko bakatulibawa so cyuma kwalinde byafukakora yerangiranje abana abadere bamasunga polio immunization niko banakura isibawuce ekitibu cyose omwaka.
Dr. Mhindo Joy or health officer abo Kasese Municipality hashabira abakazi benda okureba ngo bayejumbira omukuza kuchebeza okutayira amarwaro emirundi Yoona kandi yayongere yagira ngo kukemesa abana nikiyamba okubatangiza akakoko ka polio.
I encourage pregnant women to make sure that they start antenatal early in pregnancy and partake of the packages that are given during pregnancy that I have highlighted on. We need that baby, we need that mother monitored and supported until there is a live baby and mother to delivery, and we need that husband, that man who made this lady pregnant, participate throughout pregnancy and during delivery time, and also have the screenings done.
Ekibina kya Rotary kitwire emyaka mingi kandi cyo kyebembire ehuriro yo kuronda omubazi hamwe no kugemesa abana okwetantara akakoko ka polio kandi ori in charge wa Kasese Municipality Health Center 3 clinic officer Asinja Mariam ayerekera kusima aha Rotary Club kandi ayongera no kubasima aha bushagiki.
I'm very happy for what the polio Rotary Club has done for the facility. It has taken 2 items, renovating our staff house and also dressing our mattresses.
Nkomuringo gumwe gwo kutongoza kandi no kwijuka ekiro kya World Polio Day aba Rotary family muri Kasese bahireyo ebyo kweyambisa aha Kasese Municipality Health Center 3 ebirimu nk'ebitanda emifariso sabuni ebyo kukozwa abakazi benda hamwe n'abo barukonsya gasha kwa Mate Isaac habwa Tayari West.